Well, hello and welcome to Friars Motor Company again. If you don't want to spend too much money on a wheelchair car, but you do want one that's reasonably nice, here's a 2007 Fiat Doblo 1400cc Dynamic, which was the best model in the range, and it's converted for wheelchair access by a very reputable company called Automotive Group. It's only done 24,000 miles from new. We've got a first service here at 2,000 miles in 08, one at 9,000 miles in 10, 13,000 miles in 12, 18,000 miles there, and it'll have one before you buy it. We've got its MOT history here, details all through the years. One little failure there, headlamp beam incorrect, centre exhaust needs supporting, so it's all genuine. We've got air conditioning, 5-speed, centre armrest, overhead shelf. Now in the back we've got one seat, so we can seat 3 people plus the wheelchair user. The lowered floor. Now the automotive conversion actually has a completely flat floor in the rear, whereas mostly they just have a slope. Now I've got these safety straps attached. They're controlled with this little switch. When it's down I can just pull them out, when it's up they're locked. So we'll push in. Quite a gentle slope because it's a long ramp. And there you are, we're in. Then these belts go on the back, easily fitting there. The straps go around the back of the wheelchair. Another one there. And then the seat belt can just come around quite simply, plugging in there. It's worth noting as well that this does have a spare wheel and a toolkit, which is quite unusual nowadays. And also this rear seat, you can fold it if you want the maximum amount of room. Now the ramp you can fold up in 2 pieces. That weighs about 4 or 5 pounds. And it's bifold, so it's out of your vision. So it's a nice, easy to use petrol car with no emissions problems. Remote locking, electric windows. There's your air conditioning, radio CD. It's worth noting as well, we've got a seat height adjustment for the front and the back of the seat, and a lumbar support adjustment so you can really get comfortable. Switch it on. There's its mileage. 2 hands job. 5 gears. There's its radio there. Put the air conditioning on, you can hear that come into use. So overall, very nice. No sign of rust anywhere. Good colour. If you think that's a possibility, give me a ring and we'll chat about it a bit more. Thank you for looking, and I'll look forward to your call. Bye bye.